Berapa orang di sini yang fish untuk toman?
No, almost the same as toman, and in Central Java is gabus.
Ikan gabus.
Little wire here. I use American fishing wire of about 40 pounds. This one's 40 pounds, but you could use 30 pounds. I've also used tiger wire. You know tiger wire? It's a knottable wire. Tiger wire is not very good. It's only good for one fish. And I've had 3 or 4 eat through it, which is not very good. But this American fishing wire is actually good for about 10 fish before you have to change it, which I like. I like to catch lots of fish. And then from this 40 pound, I've then got 50 pound leader here, and I go into the mini twist and into a slim beauty into 90 pounds, and then I've got a loop to loop. So it's very strong. And the fish where I fish for, do you all speak English, by the way?
Iya. Perlu diterjemahkan nggak? Perlu. Oke, ya. Beginilah tekniknya.
I have 2 meters of fly line outside the tip.
2 meter fly line di luar tip.
Now, if it's not just babies, sometimes you get a close shot at babies. Yeah. But I also like to fish I prefer to fish for toman without the babies.
Dia juga akan mencoba memancing toman yang bukan hanya dengan babies toman, tapi apa aja yang sedang naik ke permukaan.
And they are in the summer, where I am anyway, they are active twice a day, between about 9 o'clock in the morning and 12 o'clock midday.
Biasanya mereka sangat aktif antara jam 9 pagi.
One important thing in fly casting, we can only cast as far. Our forward shoot relies upon how much line we've got behind us.
Untuk mencapai titik yang jauh segitu, dia perlu backing line yang cukup jauh kan?
If I was just to make this cast and try to cast a distance of this much line behind, on the forward it's just going to go not very far, right? So my first movement is to slip from 2 meters of line to here, okay?
Angkat vertikal, sudah slip sedikit line.
I don't stop though, of course. So I get to that point, and then I'm in this position, and then I make a haul. And immediately let go. Because I need to go from 2 meters, slip, to this much line for my longest shot. That's already quite a lot of line, right? That much line there, I can shoot 22, 23 meters. But as I say, I cannot get there quickly enough.
Artinya apa ya? Jadi dengan dia kondisi 2 meter,
He doesn't
dia kan
count the
melempar.
backcast. The backcast is about slipping line to get line out there.
Backcastnya itu untuk menambah line-nya agar lebih panjang.
Where the speed comes in is the forward cast.
Speednya dari forward castnya.
It's very important to cast a vertical loop.
Sangat penting kalau castingnya loopnya vertikal, bukan side casting.
If the loop is off the side, you can see it's going to kick.
Kalau castingnya sideways, line-nya akan kick. Begitu, tidak lurus.
That's actually another useful shot, by the way. If the snakehead come up the other side of babies, I use that shot.
Kalau snakeheadnya, tomannya, race-nya di sebelah.
The fly, they want to come around.
Toman tidak akan attack fly-nya.
Snakehead babies are here. The toman comes up the other side in the shade of the babies.
Biasanya toman akan
You have to stop the shoot with the left hand.
Shootnya di stop dengan tangan sebelah kiri.
So you check the shoot. You go from 2 meters, slip, whack, and then just check the shoot, stop it with the left hand.
Stop dengan tangan kiri.
Forces it to turn over. But the key really, I think, on this, while speed is very important, speed without accuracy is a complete waste of time with these fish. You've got to almost put it in their mouth for them to eat it.
Speed dan how far from the mouth, Paul?
This far.
Jadi castingnya harus persis banget.
If it goes that far, they might chase it. The problem is they've gone down,
Yeah.
and they might chase it, and
Yeah.
then you've got to chase, and it's very difficult unless you've got plenty of distance to hook the fish.
Kalau terlalu jauh dari tomannya akan sangat susah.
But if they're not spooked, and if it goes in first time,
Yeah.
and it lands that far away from the fish before he's gone much further than that below the surface, 90% of the time they eat it.
Ya. Kalau fly-nya landing sekitar jarak demikian, 90% toman akan attack flies-nya. Ya.
So 90% of the time.
Yeah,
So it's all about the shot. And in one morning, you might get 40 or 50 opportunities to make the shot,
Ya.
and you might get 5 or 6 really good ones,
Ya.
and you just don't know when they're coming.
Oke. Biasanya pagi hari bisa sampai 40 kesempatan untuk casting ke toman itu. Tapi